In today's class, we will cover the following topics, that is the transport and communication, trade, and imports of Tamil Nadu. Transport or transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. Modes of transport include airways, landways, and waterways. Under the landways, we have the railway and roadways. Transport is important because it enables communication, trade, and other forms of exchange between people. Transport plays an important part in economic growth and globalization. India has one of the largest road network in the world. For the purpose of construction and maintenance of these roads, the roads are classified as national highways, state highways, major district roads, and rural roads. The national highways are maintained by the central government. The state highways are maintained by the state government. Major district roads are maintained by the municipalities. And the rural roads are maintained by panchayats and PMGSY, that is the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Roadways. In Tamil Nadu, the total road length is about 1,67,000 km, in which 60,628 km are maintained by the State Highways Department. Tamil Nadu ranks second in India with a share of over 20% in total road projects under operation in the public-private partnership model. That is, in this model, a long-term contract is made between government and private entity, through which the government and private party partner in the provision of public services. As we have seen earlier, for the purpose of construction and maintenance, the roads are divided into major categories such as national highways, state highways, district roads, and rural roads. As given in the table, the length of national highways in Tamil Nadu is about 4,994 km. And these national highways are maintained by the central government. The length of state highways in Tamil Nadu is 57,291 km, and these state highways are maintained by the state government. Corporation and municipality roads is about 23,350 km, and it is maintained by the municipalities. Panchayat Union and Village Panchayat Union roads are maintained by panchayats and PMGSY. Next comes the forest road. The total length of the forest road in Tamil Nadu is 3,348 km. NH44 is the longest national highway in Tamil Nadu, which runs from Hosur to Kanyakumari, and the length of this national highway 44 is 627.2 km. It runs via Dharmapuri, Salem, Karur, Dindigul, Madurai, and Tirunelveli. And the shortest national highway is NH785. This is the shortest national highway in Tamil Nadu, which runs from Madurai to Nattam. and the length of this National Highway 785 is 38 kilometers. Railways. Tamil Nadu has a well-developed rail network as a part of Southern Railway, headquartered at Chennai. The Southern Railway's present network extends over a large area of India's southern peninsula, that is the South India, and it covers the states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry, and small portions of Andhra and Karnataka. Tamil Nadu has a total railway track length of 6,693 km and it has about 690 railway stations in the state. So therefore, it connects with almost all the major cities in India. The main rail junction in the state are Chennai, Coimbatore, Erode, Madurai, Salem, Tiruchirappalli and Tirunelveli. A junction is a place at which two or more railroads converge or diverge. So a junction is a place at which two or more railroads converge or diverge. Chennai has a well-established suburban railway network, a mass rapid transport system, and a metro system. A suburban railway network means it is a passenger rail transport service that primarily operates within a metropolitan area. For example, the electric train in Chennai. And next comes the Mass Rapid Transport System, that is the MRTS. MRTS is the first elevated railway line in India. It is a type of high-capacity public transport generally found in urban areas. Although it is separated from Chennai Suburban Railway, they both, that is the MRTS and Suburban Rail, are operated by the Southern Railways. Metro rail system consists of both elevated and underground tracks from two routes in Chennai. The cost of metro train is costlier than the MRTS, and also the metro trains are fully air conditioned and have advanced coaches and stations. Airways. Tamil Nadu has four major international airports. Chennai International Airport is currently the third largest airport in India after Mumbai and Delhi. Other international airports in Tamil Nadu include Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli airports. It also has domestic airports at Tuticorin and Salem. The domestic airports handles only domestic flights. The domestic flight is one that takes place entirely in one country, that is both the departure and arrival cities are in the same country. Increased industrial activity has given rise to an increase in passenger traffic as well as freight movement, which has been grown at over 18% per year. So the people who use the airways as their means of transport are increasing day by day. Because of the industrial activities, people choose airways as their mode of transport, and therefore the percentage of people traveling through airways is increasing every year at a rate of 18%. Waterways. Tamil Nadu has three major ports. They are Chennai Port, Ennur Port and Tuticorin Port. It has an intermediate port at Nagapattinam, and 15 minor ports. The ports are currently capable of handling over 73 million metric tons of cargo annually. Here the cargo means the goods that are carried through ship. So Tamil Nadu contributes about 24% of total India's share. All the minor ports are managed by the Tamil Nadu Maritime Board, that is the Chennai port. This port is also called as artificial harbour and the second principal port in the country for handling containers. Currently, this port is being upgraded or modified to have a dedicated terminal for cars capable of handling 4 lakh vehicles. Ennore Intermediate Port was recently converted as major port and handles the major coal and ore traffic in Tamil Nadu. Communication. Communication is derived from the Latin word communicare, which means to share. The act of conveying or exchanging information is called as means of communication. There are two main types of communication: mass communication and personal communication. First, we will see about personal communication. It is a communication between two persons. In this modern world, there are lots of ways to communicate between two persons. That is through emails, SMS, mobile phone, letters, etc. Next, we will say about mass communication. This communication is among masses, that is, number of people are involved in this communication. It provides entertainment as well as creates awareness among the masses. It includes radio, television, newspaper, magazine, books, films, etc. The next topic we are going to see about is trade. Export and import are the two main components of trade. Export means goods and services sold for foreign currency. That is, the goods and services that are produced in one country and sold to buyers in another country is called as export. Tamil Nadu contributes 12.2% to country's export. Next, we will see about what is import. Import refers to goods and services which are brought from overseas producers. In simple, we can say importing means buying of foreign goods. Tamil Nadu imports many goods from outside. The difference between the values of export and import is called as the balance of trade. The major exports of Tamil Nadu are agricultural products, leather products, gem and jewellery, chemicals and related products. Under the agricultural products, Tamil Nadu exports tobacco, cereals, cotton, sugarcane, paddy, groundnut, spices and vegetables. And under the leather products, Tamil Nadu exports, that is especially the Vellore district. From Vellore district, they export wallets, purses, pouches, handbags, belts, footwear and gloves. Gems and jewellery. Under this section, they export pearls, precious stones, gold jewellery, decorations and antiques. Chemicals and related products that are exported from Tamil Nadu are paper, chemicals, rubber and glass. So these are the Main exports from Tamil Nadu to other countries. Imports of Tamil Nadu. The major imports of Tamil Nadu are transport equipment machineries, machine tools, non-electrical machinery, electrical machinery, pharmaceutical products, petroleum, fertilizers, newsprint. So these are the major imports of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu contributes about 10.94% to the country's trade through major ports. Here, the trade includes both the export and the import. Conclusion. So we are almost at the end of the lesson. In this lesson, Human Geography of Tamil Nadu, we have studied about the agricultural factors, major crops, water resources, mineral resources, industrial resources, and also how humans use their skills and abilities to turn these resources into useful products. And we have also studied and analyzed the population and its composition in Tamil Nadu, and also the trade, which includes the imports and the exports. The above discussion shows that Tamil Nadu is an important state of India in terms of size, population, resources, and economic development. The new schemes introduced by the state government periodically have enabled notable progress in various fields. Thus, the people in the state are well secured